morning, everybody. Just got dropped off at a Pinhuddy Outdoor Center. Doing a 33-mile, basically slack ride. And it's going to be mostly uphill and sketchy ass roads. But we'll be climbing up Flag Mountain here shortly. But we're climbing up away back up from that dam. But yeah, hopefully everything goes good today. Good morning, everybody. Just packed up and leaving Camel Lake campground. I'll get into everything here soon, or probably once I get to Tallahassee, I'll sit down and just make a video about it. But basically, I skipped about 300 miles because it was nothing but paved roads, and I had some crazy things happen once I got started on the connector route after I left Flag Mountain to get me to Florida. And I just didn't feel safe doing it. I don't care. And I've gotten to where I absolutely hate being on paved roads. I love being off-road, single track, gravel, 2-track. Absolutely love it. But ended up no plan at all. My buddy Joker, if y'all remember him from back in January last year, he come pick me up, and now we're down here in Florida. I was going to start right where my route goes into Florida, but I could not figure out the permit thing to ride through Eglin Air Force Base. And then to camp in there, unless you're a Florida trail hiker, you have to get a permit, but you can't get it online. It's on the other end of the park if you're going south. And then the next campground that was in the middle of like 50-60 mile road walk or road section on Highway 20. That campground was completely booked up. So basically, we just said screw it. He's going to hang out with me a couple days, and we come down to Bristol, Florida, and that's where I started at yesterday. And we're in Apalachicola or something like that National Forest. So we still have about 1,300 miles to Key West. But yeah, I have no regrets skipping the last bit of Alabama. And everybody on my Facebook page that lives in Alabama, they 100% agreed. And it was a damn good decision to just come down to Florida. And that's what we did. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. And yeah, so we're going to continue on from here. Morning.